Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Foundation 14. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. My, your, his, her, our, the, person, people. Okay, listen to the words again and repeat them after me. My, your, his, her, our, the, person, people. Good, slowly but surely. Now, we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. My answer, your food, his work, her hot drink, our place, their home, good people, hungry person, our new home, their old place. Very good. Now, listen to a simple story using all of the words. This is our story for today. Tom and Lucy are here in my town. Lucy is his friend. Tom is her friend. Lucy is a good person. They are good people. Tom and Lucy are my friends. Their home is big. Today, Tom is hungry. Lucy says, "Your food is here." They eat and drink. Now they feel happy. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. My, your, his, her, our, the, person, people. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.